just want to bring up, and I'm not trying to toot our own horn, but I will here. Like, look at the support we give here as on a franchise system. Like, you got Kyle here, you got Nicole here, you got Brett here, you got Michael here, Giuseppe, Christopher, Jonathan, Michael.
Hey,
I mean,
we got live. We got live.
we got live. This is in. And
everybody be quiet. Everybody quiet. Hey, it's a good day at Sparemax. How can I help you?
Yeah, I came to pick up my daughter's phone. She dropped it off this morning.
Is this the iPhone 11?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Had to have the screen replaced.
Yeah. Very good. Let me get that for you real quick. Hold on a second.
Bob, you better have a case on that thing, bro.
No, she's got a case on it, but
Hell no, take that case off and sell her one.
Yeah.
I'll give you $50 right now. You sell a case to him.
Well, it's not. It's him. It's not her phone. Hold on, I'm gonna put my earbuds on so that way you
$50.
Put my earbuds on. Give me a second.
Remember, guys, we always want to give back the customer the case because we want an opportunity to upsell, right? And then we don't want to lose that case. But Bob should be hitting it with, hey, can I get you anything else? Bluetooth speaker. He should be meeting them in the front of the store, like by the display area, not behind the register.
All right, can you guys hear? Can you guys hear?
Yeah, we hear. Yeah, we hear.
All right, I got my earbuds in now, so that way.
Remember, are you with the customer right
now? No, I'm out in the back getting the phone right now.
So when you go out front, you're gonna have that case on there, and then you're gonna meet them by the display.
Front, so I gotta.
So then meet him by the cases. Meet him by the cases then. Don't meet them by the register because then they're gonna have a mindset of closing out.
All right. All right. So hold on. I get near my ears. All right.
Oh, I love this.
All right. Let's see. So I got the screen protector here.
Okay.
And then let me just show you something real quick because I think the case she had wasn't that good. So I wanted to show you a couple cases I have. I got this is an 11. I got this blue one. I got this one right here that works. I've got another one over here that works.
I'll tell her.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let her come in and pick it though.
Okay.
I'll buy the wrong one.
Oh, you're gonna buy the wrong color?
Yeah.
Come back and exchange it. No problem.
Yeah. So I'll tell her, and she'll probably pop back in sometime today.
Okay. Well, if she wants, we can put it on so that way you're protected, and she can come back and exchange it. So.
Okay. How much is it?
This is $19.99.
Okay.
All right. Cool. Let's do that.
Can I get you anything else? Bluetooth speaker, headphones, chargers?
A second. All right, so let me put the screen protector on. Is there anything else I can get you? You guys need any other accessories?
Not today.
Not today?
Not today.
All right. Well, I appreciate you letting us earn your business.
No.
Is this your first time here?
My second time.
What was the first time?
We had bought, or she had bought a screen for that on Amazon.
Oh yeah.
And then she ripped.